So we're out here fishing again. And we're may as well just call us the Striper Boys, because it's all about striped marlin up in this bitch. We've been cruising. Seas are choppy. Haven't seen shit in a long time. Drinking Pacificos. It's been a nice day. And boom! Look at that big guy! We got ourselves a striped marlin on the line.
He's got a sucker fish on the side.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Just keep showing me life, baby. So thank God I didn't have to hook this one, because I was already tired from my 2 hours that I put in last time. We're catching this on 40-pound gear. Peter's turn. And I can sit.
You got your turn, now you my turn.
I can sit back and drink some beer and watch the whole show go down. So we'll come back in a little bit when we get him closer.